another example. This one's a little bit more involved because it has a decimal, but I'll teach you how to do it. So it says evaluate log base 1024 of 0.25. Again, normally what I do is I just take whatever that log is, I set it equal to x, and then I convert it to an exponential. So we have 1024 to the x power equals 0.25. The reason this one's a little bit harder is because you have to find a common base. Now I'll give you a hint before we go to the next slide. How can you write 0.25 as a fraction? That's what you want to do. Huh? 1/4. Okay, so maybe now you can see what the common base is going to be. I'll give you a hint. There's two different ones that work for this one, for a common base. 4 or 2, good. You can write the right side as 4 to the negative 1. The left side, I think it's 4 to the 5th. But you could use the left and write it as 2 to the 10th, and the right you could write as 2 to the negative 2. Either one will work. You're going to get the same answer. I don't remember which one I chose. Okay, I chose 2 last time. But it's, again, you could have used 4 and you get the same answer. So again, on the left, you had 1024. That's 2 to the 10th power. Just if you forgot that, you can use that chart that we did a couple weeks ago. On the right, it's 2 to the negative 2. Why? Because 2 squared is 4, right? So 2 to the negative 2 would be 1 over 4. Then you apply your exponents. 10 times x is 10x on the left. And then you just set 10x equal to negative 2. From there, you will divide by 10. And you will reduce this fraction, negative 2 over 10. Both are even, so you can divide them both by 2 to get negative 1/5. And so basically, we've shown that log base 1024 of 0.25 is equal to negative 1/5. I know there's a lot going on with that problem, but just notice how each step basically builds off the previous one. No step really is complicated. It's just the answer is a negative fraction, that's all. And it will be if your starting number is bigger than your ending number. So again, 10 to the 24 to the negative 1/5 power is 0.25. And that's how you evaluate a log. You just convert to an exponential.